Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple videos with text on Instagram group on your PC with the latest update. Let's walk through the steps to enhance your Instagram messaging experience. To get started, open your Instagram account on your PC. Once logged in, navigate to the group where you wish to share multiple videos. Click on the group to open the chat. Within the chat window, look for the photo icon. Click on the photo icon to open your file explorer and choose the videos you want to share. Select the videos and click Open. After selecting the videos, you'll have the option to write the text you want to accompany the videos. Type your message in the text box provided. Once you've written your message and added the videos, it's time to send them. Click on the Send button to share the videos, along with your text in the Instagram group chat. By following these simple steps, you can easily send multiple videos with text on Instagram group on your PC, allowing you to engage with your group members in a creative and personalized way. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Start sharing multiple videos with text on Instagram group today and make your group interactions more vibrant and expressive.